Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Bronte for those of you that are new here, and today's video is going to be a clean with me. I am going to be doing a whole house all day cleaning video, and I am going to be sharing how I descale and clean my Keurig using only 2 ingredients. So if you are new here, subscribe, join the family, and stick around for all things motherhood, lifestyle, and of course, cleaning motivation. I hope that this video is motivating for you and you get up and either clean with me or get your cleaning and your chores done that you need to do. I am going to be starting in our disastrous living room. As you can see, there is stuff everywhere. I had ignored this mess the night before, just pretended that it wasn't there, and I fully regretted that this morning when I came down to have my coffee. So I'm just going to clean up the living room and get started there.
Just thought I should let you know, yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low, that's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know, yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars.
I'm going to be wiping down my ottoman just using the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day multi-surface cleaner. It actually works really well. My ottoman isn't actual leather, it is pleather or faux leather, whatever you prefer to call it. So I use this on there. Probably not the greatest thing to use on it, but it definitely works and it gets it all nice and clean. So I'm going to be using the Mrs. Meyer's and just cleaning down everything. I love this ottoman because you can flip it over and you have like little tabletops, trays, or you just have a cushiony pillow. I've been asked about the ottoman before, so if I can find it, I will link it below in the description box or something similar to it. I don't know if they still make it anymore because it is quite old, but if I can find the link for it, I totally will have that link below for you guys. I am going to be using the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day to dust and wipe everything down in the living room.
We don't know, no, it's no more, no, no. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more, no, no. Yeah.
Moving along to the kitchen, I'm just going to finish up any dishes that were left behind from breakfast and from lunch, put those in the dishwasher, and then wash whatever is left in the sink.
Comatose, baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought it's time to let it.
I'm going to clear off the counters so that I can wipe these down. I'm also using the Mrs. Meyer's in the kitchen today. I just love Mrs. Meyer's cleaners. This is the mint scent. I have it left over from the springtime and it smells divine and I'm obsessed with it. I'm also going to be using this on the stove. I just like to remove the grates and the burners so that I can really get in there and get any crumbs or any food that has been left behind from cooking.
No, it's no more, we don't know. No, it's no more, we don't know. No, it's no more, no, no. Yeah.
Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, I was going to be cleaning my Keurig. I usually take the tray out, the drip pan, and I will wash these by hand using whatever dish soap. Today I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's mint scented dish soap. So I will wash these and then I will move on to the actual Keurig itself. I remove the little K-cup holder, I don't know what it's called, and I take a little scrub brush. This is a bottle brush that I'm using, and I'm just going to get in there and scrub everything as best as I can because there is always left behind coffee grounds or oils from the coffee beans, so I really like to get in there and scrub everything really well. Now to actually clean the water system part, I use white distilled vinegar and I place it in the water tank, and I will do half water, half vinegar, and just run that through the system until there is no more vinegar left and all the water is clear. As you can see, it is super dirty and super disgusting and it definitely needs to be cleaned. So this is your friendly reminder, if you have a Keurig, go clean yours, use some vinegar, use some water, and just run it through your system as many times as it takes to get the vinegar sent out and to get that water clear. Now I'm moving on to the sink. I'm going to use the Clorox cleaner plus bleach to bleach my sink. The sink gets really dingy really fast. It's an older sink, so the finish seems to be kind of wearing off. So I like to bleach the sink every day or every other day to get the food particles off and to make it look white and sparkly clean. So in a recent video, I had one of you guys comment on my video saying that I should be using a toothbrush to clean my window track. So that's what I'm doing today, but I'm going to clean the sliding glass door track using water, vinegar, and a little bit of dish soap in a spray bottle and a toothbrush to scrub it. As you can see, it definitely needed it. It is absolutely disgusting. It is so dirty. I even got in there with a flathead screwdriver and really picked out any dirt and dog hair and just grime. As you can see, like I said, so disgusting and definitely needed to be done. So this is your reminder to go do that. The things that we never really think about cleaning. Yuck.
Everything is alright with you.
I'm going to be doing laundry using this Drops laundry detergent and laundry oxy boosters. They were kind enough to send this to me to try, and I'm super excited about it. These are non-plastic pouches, and you just throw it in the back of the wash. There's a detergent one and an oxy one that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be using them to clean our towels. And now I'm moving on to the bathroom downstairs. I'm just using the Clorox cleaning bleach gel and then Clorox bleach spray to clean the toilet.
You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me, he brings me flowers.
I'll be using the Great Value glass cleaner to clean my mirrors, and then I'm going to be using that same spray that I used on the toilet to clean the sink.
Gonna lie, I know what I want, speaking my mind now. The queen is a king to be.
I am moving on to the kids' bathroom now. I'm going to use that same Clorox combo that I used in the downstairs bathroom to clean their toilet, and then I'm also going to take that spray and spray around the potty and clean the floor around it, just in case I have a 4-year-old little boy, and you know, sometimes boys miss, so I just want to be extra super safe because I have a 1-year-old little girl that toddles around, so I don't want her to get into anything or any substances that she should not be getting into. By substances, I mean urine. And then I'm going to be using that Clorox spray to spray their shower, and then I'll just go in with a regular sponge and scrub everything really well, get any dirt and grime off, and then when I'm done scrubbing the bathtub, I will thoroughly rinse it so that the kids are not sitting in bleach.
My mind now. The queen is a king.
I'm changing it up for the sink, and I'm using this Lysol Power Clean bathroom cleaner, and I'm just going to use a sponge and scrub everything around the sink as well as the sink. There's some toothpaste and, you know, just stuff all over the place that needs to be cleaned up. And then I'm going to go in with a wet rag and I'm going to wipe everything down. And then again, just using that Great Value glass cleaner on the mirrors and getting any toothpaste splatters off of the mirrors that might be left behind. I'm moving on to my bathroom, the master bathroom now, and I'm just basically going to do everything that I did in the kids' bathroom. I'm going to scrub the shower, I'm going to clean the sink, clean around the sink, clean the mirrors, and I'm using all of the same products that I used in their bathroom.
For you to make your move. He can love me better than you. He can love me better than you. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better. He can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better. He can do me better.
I was able to get all of the bathrooms cleaned while my daughter napped, but now she is up and she woke up super cranky, so she's just gonna help me make my bed. Making a bed one-handed is not easy at all. I learned that today, so it might be a little sloppy, but A for effort. I did get it done, and I'm just gonna go with the saying, it's the thought that counts. So it's the thought that counts. I tried to make the bed.
Walking down the street like an alien. They say time will heal, but I don't have patience. You packed your things, now we begin the erasing. All the memories slowly start to fade in. The days move so slow, I know I gotta go, but I can't get anyway. 'Cause I'm still in love. I'm still in love. I'm still in love.
My son Tegan decided to throw cotton balls all over his room and pretended that we were having a snow day. So there's cotton balls everywhere that need to be cleaned up. So I'm just going to clean those up, and then I'm going to pick up his room, put away his toys, and then make his bed.
What we had is gone and it's all too late, and I'm better off, but I can't deal with this aching. The days move so slow, I know I gotta go, but I can't get anyway. 'Cause I'm still in love. I'm still in love. I'm still in love.
As you can see, the books were a disaster, so I'm just going to pick up all the stuffed animals, and then I'm going to put all of his books away. The kids like to push them off the shelves, so they pretty much never stay organized, but I'm going to try and get them all cleaned up, and then I'm just going to pick up the rest of the stuff in his room. I'm totally that evil mom that popped his balloon, but we've had it since my birthday, which was a while ago now. So I'm moving on to making his bed. His bed is the hardest bed to make. It's a loft bed, as you can see, and I absolutely hate making it. I need to get like one of those Betty Beds beddings instead of using sheets in a blanket. It would make my life so much easier.
I'm still in love. I'm still in love. I'm still in love. I'm still in love.
I'm moving on to my daughter's room now. We're just gonna ignore the blackout curtains hanging out from behind the shutters, and I'm just gonna straighten up her room, pick up her toys, and then I am also going to vacuum up her room. I haven't decorated the kids' rooms yet. I haven't really decorated anything in the house yet. I am not rushing to end up hating the stuff that I've used to decorate, so I'm just kind of getting a feel for the space and figuring out what I want to do. We've been in our house for about a month now. I have some decor pieces, but I just haven't hung them up yet. I don't know what I want to do yet, so if you've noticed that there's not a whole lot on my walls, that is why.
One-time lovers, 'cause I do believe in lovers like me and you. Yeah, you just keep on dancing all night out on the roof. Tell everybody I do, baby, I do. Wanna stay here and let loose, just keep.
I'm going to move on to vacuuming my son's room. I didn't do that earlier, and then I'm going to move on to vacuuming my room and then also vacuuming the stairs.
Deep down and in those eyes, think I have memorized, oh, every single flare inside your burning stare. Just wanna be inside, keep dancing in your mind. You'll be my nighttime Valentine. You make me feel.
I am finally getting around to switching the laundry over to the dryer, and I'm going to be using a wool dryer ball instead of a dryer sheet. Drop sent me 3 dryer balls to use, and I'm going to test them out and see how we do. As I said earlier in the very beginning of the video, this was an all-day clean with me. As you can see, it is nighttime, so I am going to be cleaning up the kitchen. The kids are in bed finally, and I'm just going to clean up whatever is left behind that I didn't get to clean up earlier, wipe down the table, wipe down the counters, and clean everything up after dinner. And then I'm going to vacuum the living room, and I'm going to vacuum the kitchen as well. And then I will move on to mopping up the floors using the Swiffer with a Swiffer wet pad. I have been using the Swiffer a ton lately. It works really well. I do prefer my O-Cedar mop, but I need to order new mop heads. If you have any favorite cleaning hacks or tips, leave them down below in a comment for me. I'm always looking for new cleaning tips. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you found this motivating to get your cleaning done. And if you are new here, stick around and subscribe for more cleaning motivation every week. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and have a super amazing day. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!